What if I told you that I created a complete digital product that sold for $2,000 using nothing but free AI tools? No expensive software, no design team, no copywriters, just me, my laptop, and AI. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same thing. Before I show you the process, let me be clear about something. When I say I created a $2,000 product, I'm not talking about some cheap ebook that I randomly priced high. I'm talking about a comprehensive training program with multiple modules, professional-looking materials, sales pages, email sequences, and everything else you need to actually sell at that price point. And people bought it because the value was there. So how did I do it? Let me break it down for you. Step one was choosing the right product type. Not every product can command a $2,000 price tag, so you need to choose wisely. The best high-ticket products solve expensive problems or help people make money. Think about it. If someone is struggling with something that's costing them thousands of dollars in lost revenue or wasted time, paying $2,000 to fix that problem is a no-brainer. I chose to create a course teaching business owners how to automate their customer onboarding process using AI. Why? Because poor onboarding costs businesses money. It leads to confused customers, higher churn rates, and more support tickets. By solving this problem, I could justify a premium price. Step two was using ChatGPT to build the course structure. I started by asking ChatGPT to help me create a detailed course outline. I told it who the course was for, what problem it solved, and what outcomes students should achieve. Within minutes, I had a complete outline with 8 modules, each containing 4 to 5 lessons. But I didn't stop there. I then asked ChatGPT to help me write the actual lesson content. For each lesson, I provided context about what I wanted to teach, shared examples from my own experience, and let ChatGPT organize everything into a clear, logical format. The result was hours of high-quality training content created in just a few days. Step 3 was designing all the materials using Canva. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a designer. How am I supposed to make this look professional? That's where Canva comes in. Canva is a free design tool that makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you have zero design experience. I use Canva to create my course slides, workbooks, checklists, and templates. Canva has thousands of free templates you can customize, so I didn't have to start from scratch. I just picked templates that fit my brand, changed the colors and text, and exported everything as PDFs. It took me maybe 3 hours total to design everything, and it looked just as good as if I had hired a designer. Step 4 was writing the sales page with ChatGPT. A $2,000 product needs a strong sales page. You can't just throw up a few paragraphs and expect people to buy. I needed compelling headlines, persuasive copy, social proof, testimonials, and a clear call to action. I used ChatGPT to write the entire sales page. I gave it details about my target audience, the problem they were facing, the transformation my course provided, and the unique benefits of my approach. ChatGPT generated a long-form sales page using a proven framework, and then I edited it to match my voice and add personal stories. The whole process took maybe 2 hours, and the result was a sales page that converted at over 10%. That means 1 out of every 10 people who visited my page bought the course. That's exceptional. Step 5 was creating the email launch sequence with ChatGPT. To promote the course, I needed a series of emails that would build excitement, educate my audience, and ultimately drive them to the sales page. I asked ChatGPT to create a 7-day email sequence that would do exactly that. Each email had a specific purpose. Day 1 introduced the problem. Day 2 shared a story. Day 3 provided a quick win. Day 4 presented the solution. Day 5 addressed objections. Day 6 added urgency with a limited time bonus. Day 7 was the final call to action. ChatGPT wrote all 7 emails in about 20 minutes, and I just tweaked them to add my personal touch. Step 6 was recording the video lessons with free screen recording software. For the actual course content, I decided to use a combination of slide presentations and screen recordings. I used a free tool called OBS Studio to record my screen as I walked through each lesson. I didn't even need to show my face. I just recorded my voice explaining the concepts while showing slides and demonstrations on screen. The quality was more than good enough for a premium course. People don't pay $2,000 for Hollywood-level production. They pay for results. As long as your content is clear, valuable, and actionable, the production quality doesn't need to be perfect. Step 7 was hosting everything on a free platform. I used a platform called Teachable, which has a free plan that lets you host unlimited courses. I uploaded all my videos, PDFs, and materials, organized everything into modules, and set up the enrollment process. Within a day, my course was live and ready to sell. So let me recap. I used ChatGPT to create the course content and sales materials. I used Canva to design all the visual assets. I used OBS Studio to record the lessons. And I used Teachable to host the course. All of these tools are completely free. The only thing I paid for was my time and effort. And the result? A professional, high-value course that I sold for $2,000. Now here's the important part. This isn't a one-time thing. Once you know this process, you can repeat it. You can create multiple high-ticket products. You can build an entire product line. You can scale your income without needing a big budget. The barrier to entry for creating premium digital products has never been lower. You don't need a team. You don't need expensive tools. You just need knowledge, a system, and the willingness to take action. If you want to see a detailed walkthrough of this entire process, including the exact prompts I used in ChatGPT, the Canva templates I recommend, and how to structure your high-ticket offer, I'm putting together a complete training that shows you everything. That link will be in the description once everything is ready to go, so please check back here often. The tools are free, the process is proven. The only question is, are you ready to create your own high-ticket product?